looking for new management, new team, new everything.
My God, baby, on the way. There's my God, baby.
God baby born already.
The exclusive one.
What's up YouTube, what's up Berrydos? This is another countdown quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Now today it is all about Shenseea and Jada Kingdom. No, the two are not actually beefing with each other, but they do have a story to tell about their managers, their respective managers. So who should I start off with right now? Any, mini, miny, more, catch a puppy, buy store. Which data come first? J, R, S, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. J comes first, so I'm gonna deal with Jada Kingdom first. So Jada Kingdom now, boy oh boy, she and her management is at it. Now, some time ago, the singer took to social media to, go on a live and I guess to tell her fans that her management is not serving her to the best of their ability. She makes some allegations and say some things, but I'm gonna just play like a clip so you can check out what she had to say for yourself.
It's so much other things I want to say, but maybe wait, because as I tell you now, I don't want to come off as a sad puppy or the attention seeker or whatever. But I be a thief, people are thief, my song them, my style, listen, the amount of shit. If I never know what I'm going behind the scenes, I'm not surprised. But when I got chatting, it just surprised me, say somebody was supposed to be in my corner, a thief from a certain way. Them see my situation and see how things are go. Them see how I'm depressed already over my fucking career. Things not never that I go home wanted to fucking go. And this is and they're the reason why I now go home wanted to go. Because I feel them bad business, for them fucked up behavior and feel them.
Whoa, Jada, whoa, all of them little, them little claim they're very, very heavy. And well, if that is your truth, that is your truth. We know Jada Kingdom is not somebody for all fair amount. Once she is disgruntled, she is going to talk about it. Whether or not people want to say her head come and go, Jada is one girl like that. If she feel it, she'll go share it. She not gonna arbeit and keep it in. No, even some time ago, people did mention, say, oh, probably, something about suicide and all kind of things. And that was just like a lie. So I'm glad that Jada Kingdom is doing okay, but you can tell that she is not happy with the sort of management she is receiving. She feels that she should be a bigger artist and that a lot of them are making moves that is really hindering her success and her growth. And anybody who is in the public, you can resonate with that. You're working hard. If you feel so you're talented and you are putting out a certain amount of effort, you're hoping that the team around you is actually, making actions that will propel your career. You don't want them to be a hindrance to that, and 10 years down the line, when you look back, all is said and done, you can't have nothing for show feet more than the fact that, hey, I'm talented. You want there to be more to it. So I understand why she, would be quite upset with her management. But no, according to Nationwide, they must say her management is leaking out against Jada. Why for the leak out? The management is not having it. So Nationwide says that dancehall star Jada Kingdom is facing a multi-million-dollar lawsuit from her management company, Pop Style Music Publishing, and her manager. The lawsuit, which was filed in the Supreme Court, is in connection with a social media rant by the entertainer. Wow, Jesus, people tell you, like little things like this go on with Miss Kitty. The other day, Miss Kitty, so she lied, so she gonna file, she gonna lie up and I go after the brother that were named Milton. When you get Milton Ray, who do the song about her and I talk about say, she eat 2 meals and all kind of things, and it look like say Jada Kingdom team is doing the same to her. So it's a dancehall star Jada Kingdom is facing a lawsuit which was filed in the Supreme Court by attorney at law Ronald Young at the law firm Young Law, which is representing Pop Style Music Publishing and its principal. Kingdom's given name is Jada Ashanti Murphy. She is being accused of libeling her manager and management company in comments she made in an Instagram live video on April 13. The particular off-claim form says Kingdom went on her social media platform and knowingly made false allegations which suggested that her manager and management team were dishonorable in their financial dealings with her. Oh my God. It goes on to say that according to the legal team for Pop Style Music Publishing, at the time when she made the video to her fan base on social media, Kingdom knew that the claims she made were damaging and false. Oh, so it's a case of he said, she said. Kingdom is being asked to pay general damages, interest on damages, and to issue an apology to her management team and its principal. Box cover. Now Jada Kingdom is saying that she lie up, her management team, them say that them lie up, so it's going to be a battle to the end. Finish who? Finish him or finish her? Jesus, Pim. In a statement, Kingdom's manager said over the past 4 years he has done nothing but believe in the artist and support her on an emotional, financial, and professional level. Kingdom's manager says he invested significant sums of money into her career and personal well-being. The artist manager says, as is normal in the music industry, the management agreement between Kingdom and the team permits him to recoup his investment against her future earnings. Kingdom's manager says to date his investment in her remains substantially unrecouped. According to Jada's Kingdom's manager, to hear her spew such libelous, vile, and defamatory untruths about him in her recent Instagram live rant is appalling and something she should be ashamed of. Oh wow. Kingdom's manager says the artist, more than anyone else, is aware of the positive way he has impacted her career and personal life. Efforts to get a response from Jada Kingdom were unsuccessful. You know, Kingdom has 42 days to respond in the... we don't know why I get a call. Kingdom has 42 days to respond in Supreme Courts to the lawsuit.
This person would only use people with him know for, you know, from do certain things to me. Tell me say, oh, artists can't have access to them YouTube and artists can't have access to them iTunes or them Spotify.
Wow, this is Jesus Pim. So Jada Kingdom, we know her for being atted. We know her for sometimes, you know, her temperament. You know she's a atted. And so I'm wondering, could this be a case like that? And then, you know, her words will actually, you know, cause her to face some sort of consequences later down the line via this lawsuit. And now I want to head over to this story about Ramesh and Shenseea. Right now, you know, if you don't know, Ramesh has a newborn baby. So for all of the people who did run with the idea, so Ramesh and Shenseea there, and they are very much Jamaica's Beyonce and Jay-Z. That is no so. Everybody knows the Jamaica's Beyonce and Jay-Z is Tommy Chin and Wayne Marshall. So only can move the little argument there one side. So Ramesh, I think he brought the story on Odyssey with Yendi some weeks ago, where he mentioned that he had a new baby on the way.
Man, I would change my whole heap, you know. And I could change my more because I have a daughter on the way.
What?
Yeah, so, you know, your story I get nicer now.
Oh, is that breaking news?
Yeah.
And recently posted an image of the child on his Instagram page, and many, you know, people were congratulating him, including Shenseea, who was basically saying that, you know, she can't wait for, you know, get the official picture for the baby. But right there and then, you know, so many fans, you know, decided to jump in and say, oh, more Shenseea be the baby mother, you know, because Shenseea never really did that post much from what, you know, so something into something. And so I think right about now, Shenseea is just kind of over it. Shenseea is just wanting to distance herself from everything at this point, and she made a post that says, can we please move past this rumor now? Ramesh Entertainment and I are not in a relationship. That's my bro, honestly, and that's my godchild. Thanks. And so, you know, Shenseea, Ramesh, Uno used to add like a fuel to the fire. Uno know some people the things on it there. I wanna use the little picture them, little pose them, you know, kinda not really sit up, kinda just leave it to people's imagination, because it was really good for business in terms of this this rumor and this idea that the two were an item. But I guess now Shenseea wants to respect the boundaries, because now, you know, she can't really do the little play flirt with Ramesh like normal now, because Ramesh have woman. You don't know if this was just a little one slam thank you mom type of thing, or if Ramesh is actually in a full-fledged relationship with with this woman, and so Shenseea is just trying to do the right thing and be respectful of Ramesh and this journey. So you know, so she gonna probably distance herself now. She out to them, she not probably not go want jump in the bed with him or in him lap and them look something there. It all gonna stop because I guess she's trying to have little respect for this new situation that Ramesh has, and that is commendable. Just so people supposed to deal with things. And so at this point in time, I'd love for you to, you know, sound off in the comments and let me know, do you think that Shenseea is actually doing the right thing in this situation? What do you think about the whole Jada Kingdom case? Do you think, say, you know, she right for talk up with things about her management, or do you think that she should have been more mindful of the claims that she made when she went on her Instagram? I really want to hear about what you think about these two lovely ladies and their management situation. Alright, well, that is it. Make sure to say you like, you leave the comment, subscribe. We're trying to head to the 300,000 mark. This is the countdown quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Okay, make sure to check out the latest social media countdown as well in our readers. Alright, take care until the next time when we talk about another trending story. Bye bye. Papa.